One of the really useful things that Visual Studio will do for you is a feature called IntelliSense. And that means that if I start typing while I'm inside of the tag, it will make recommendations to me of possible values for that class. So notice that as soon as I hit the space bar, a list of possible attributes drop down. The attribute that I want to set is background. Once that's selected, I can just hit enter and the property will be selected for me. And now I can choose a value from the list, or if I want, I can type in a value all by myself. The value that I'm going to use for the background property is a color, and I'm going to use standard hex color notation. So the value we're going to use is C8CFC3. Finally, I want to set one other attribute on our window, and that's the window startup location. And this is a property that will tell the window where to display itself when it's first created. I'm going to choose center screen, and that will have the effect of putting the window in the center of the screen when we run the application. Okay, so let's go ahead and run this, and you can see how the properties that we just set affected the window. So you can see now that our window is slightly bigger, and it also has a little bit more interesting background color. You'll also notice that it was created in the center of the screen for us. This is one of the really powerful aspects of XAML. By being XML-based, it gives you a lot of the ease of use that you get with a language like HTML, but it does so without sacrificing the power of a really robust programming environment like .NET, because every single tag corresponds to an object that we create, and every single attribute corresponds to a real .NET property that we're setting.